Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. Okay, so yesterday we made soap. We are going to demold this bad boy and see if we survived it. Now, like I said, I did expect some holes in the sides, in which we do have, and that's okay. Now, I will say the fragrance oil, it sped this process up really fast. So our soap got thick on us fairly quick. It is real hard. So that's a plus. Maybe with the sodium lactate that I put in, but I don't know. So we're gonna see what we get. And I'm just trying to, All right, so that is demolded. This is the loaf splitter. As far as the smell, it has just like a light scent to it. Let me see here. I thought I tightened this up enough. Hold on, y'all. I don't need no shenanigans. Wait a minute. Let me sit this down for a second. So it's going to need a lot of cleanup. That is for sure. Okay. Cause y'all, this is supposed to be tightening up as I'm turning it, so. And it's definitely turning, so why it's not tightening? I don't know. Oh, this is starting to get a little tighter. So maybe I was turning it the wrong way. It's getting tight over here, but not tight where I necessarily need it to be tight at. Okay? So maybe that's too tight. Alright, y'all. What do we have? What in the shindig do we have going on over here? Alright, let's try. Weird. And I don't have. Let me see if I have the other one. I don't have the other one over here, I don't think. I do not. Show. Because what's going to happen. So, y'all, I'm just going to try my best with what I have. Because this part right here, I don't know why it's not, I don't know, tightening up like it should. But whatever. So, we're just going to see if we can make this work for us. And so far, it's okay, but it's definitely not splitting it like it should, because it has it definitely very uneven. So, you know, that didn't split right. See how that cut that off? Yeah, no, that didn't cut that right at all. So, you can smell it a little bit. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to, oh, I know it's not going to come out right. Hold on, y'all. I got to figure out that part. Oh, wait. All right, y'all. So, in spite of our hiccup, we're going to just lay this back together. Because we already know, like, it definitely didn't cut right. So, right here, we're going to say that this would Say that would be a loaf. And I'm just guesstimating, y'all, because I don't have no ruler out here. So we seeing, okay, because it should give us 4. All right, so here we, oh Lord, go. And all I'm trying to cut it even, but all right, so and hopefully our wire cutter will be good to us. Okay. Ugh. All right, y'all. Let's see. Let's see what we got. This is our side that we. So this would have been a loaf right here, but we jacked that part up, and definitely doesn't look real smooth like it should, but I can bevel and try and clean that part up. So let's see what the rest of, oh yeah, I can't cut straight to save my life. I definitely didn't cut that straight. Smells good. You got smoothness on one side. But overall, I'm just going to do, because this is see how that, you see what I'm saying right here? Okay. So we're going to do a lather test because, baby, we ain't getting that cut evenly in no kind of way, okay? I have to fix that loaf slider over there. So I'm just going to cut a piece of this off. And we are going to go wash our hands. And then I will come back and clean up this up. So bear with me just a second, okay? Whoops. All right, so this is, I'm at the kitchen sink, and I know y'all, I'm gonna have to hold it up because y'all ain't gonna be able to see. But this is the soap, okay? This is the soap that we just cut. And look at the lather, y'all. Okay? Look at that lather. This is the lather test. So although my cutting skills ain't correct, that's okay. The point of the matter was to show you the lather. And it feels so good. It does. It has a light scent of that whatever the scent was, clean linen we used yesterday. Wow. That feels good, guys. Ooh, let's get all the soap off my hand, though. All right. So, until next time, peace, be blessed. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.